In this video, we will cover how to import a setup file on the Ag Leader PF3000. First, press Menu, Setup, Card, press the down directional arrow so that log file is highlighted, press Edit, scroll down so that the .yld file that you wish to import is highlighted. Once the correct file is highlighted, press Accept, press Exit, and press Menu. We have now covered how to import a setup file on the Ag Leader PF3000. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.